Have you ever wondered what the pillars of wealth are? Wealth, a term often tossed around yet so elusive and complex in its essence. It's more than just having a fat bank account or a stack of gold bars in a vault. It's a blend of financial stability, freedom, and the ability to provide for your loved ones and yourself. Today, we delve into the heart of this concept and unravel its key components. We'll explore the 10 pillars of wealth, each one a crucial stepping stone on the path to financial prosperity. From understanding financial literacy to mastering the art of networking, each pillar will offer you insights into the strategies and mindsets of the world's wealthiest individuals. Whether you're an entrepreneur at the start of your journey or someone looking to enhance your financial acumen, these pillars hold valuable lessons for all. So, are you prepared to challenge your notions of wealth and uncover its true essence? If you're ready to unlock the secrets to wealth, then stay tuned. The first pillar of wealth is financial literacy. Picture this, you're in a foreign country where you don't speak the language. How difficult would it be to navigate your way around? Now imagine your finances as that foreign country. Without financial literacy, understanding the language of money, you're essentially lost. Financial literacy is the ability to understand and use various financial skills like personal financial management, budgeting, and investing. These skills are absolutely critical in building wealth. They help you make informed decisions about your money, allowing it to grow and work for you. It's about understanding how money works in the world, how someone makes it, how that person manages it, how he or she invests it, and how that person donates it to help others. More importantly, it's about having the knowledge to make financial decisions that will improve your life. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your finances. Moving on to the second pillar, multiple income streams. Now imagine a table supported by a single leg. It's unstable, right? The same principle applies to your income. Relying on a single source is shaky at best. It's like living on the edge of a financial cliff, and all it takes is one mishap to send you tumbling down. The secret to financial stability and wealth creation lies in diversifying your income streams. Think of it as adding more legs to your table, making it sturdier and more resilient. This can be achieved in a myriad of ways, investing in stocks, real estate, starting a side business, or even turning a hobby into a profitable venture. The beauty of multiple income streams is that they provide a safety net. If one source dips or disappears, you're not left high and dry. You have others to fall back on. It's not just about earning more, it's about creating financial security. Creating multiple income streams is a key strategy in wealth creation. The third pillar of wealth is saving and investing. Let's delve into this. Imagine your income as a river. The water flowing is your hard-earned money. Now, saving is like building a reservoir, holding back some water for future use. This reservoir is your safety net, an emergency fund for when the river runs dry. But having a reservoir is not enough. Here's where investing comes into play. Investing is like building a dam. It not only holds back the water, but also generates power, creating more energy than the river alone. This is the power of investing. It helps your money grow. It generates more wealth. It's about making your money work for you, even when you're not working. Remember, the key is not just to save, but to invest as well. It's about creating a balance between saving for the present and investing for the future. As the saying goes, a penny saved is a penny earned, and a penny invested is a penny grown. Next up, the fourth pillar, minimize debt. This principle is straightforward but often overlooked. It's crucial to manage and reduce your debt if you want to maintain and grow your wealth. Debt, in essence, is an obligation, a claim on your future earnings. And the higher your debt, the more of your future income is already spoken for. It's easy to fall into the trap of thinking that as long as you can make your monthly payments, you're okay. But the truth is, every dollar you spend on interest is a dollar you can't invest towards your wealth. It's like running a race with a heavy backpack. It's just going to slow you down. So how do you minimize debt? Start by making a plan to pay off your current debts and avoid taking on unnecessary new ones. Be mindful of your spending habits. And remember, it's not about depriving yourself, but about making smart decisions that prioritize your future wealth over instant gratification. Remember, debt is the enemy of wealth. The fifth pillar of wealth is asset acquisition. Let's delve into this further. Asset acquisition is not just about buying things, it's about investing in items that appreciate in value over time. It's like planting a seed today and nurturing it until it grows into a tree that bears fruit year after year. Think of it as a game of chess, where every move is strategic and designed to set you up for long-term success. These assets could be anything from real estate, stocks, bonds, or even a business. The goal is to have these assets work for you, generating income and growing in value. Remember, wealth is not just about how much you earn, but also about how much you keep and grow. A smart wealth builder understands the importance of asset acquisition and makes it a key part of their financial strategy. So, start acquiring assets today and watch your wealth grow over time. Assets are the building blocks of wealth. Moving on to the sixth pillar. Passive income. Picture this. You're lounging on a beach, sipping a refreshing drink, and you're still making money. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, that's the beauty of passive income. It's money that you earn without having to actively work for it. Think of it as a snowball rolling down a hill. At first, it's small, but as it rolls, it gathers more snow and gets bigger. That's your passive income stream. It starts small, but with time and smart decisions, it grows, generating wealth without constant effort. You might be wondering, how can I create these streams? There are various ways, from investing in stocks and bonds, real estate, to even starting a blog or writing a book. The key is to find something that works for you, something that aligns with your skills, interests, and financial goals. Remember, the goal isn't to work harder but smarter. Passive income is the key to financial freedom. The seventh pillar of wealth is networking. Now, when we say networking, we don't mean schmoozing at events or handing out business cards willy-nilly. We're talking about building genuine, meaningful relationships with those around you. This includes professional contacts, sure, but also personal ones. Why is this important? Because people are opportunities. They can open doors, share knowledge, or offer a helping hand in times of need. And the more people you know, the more opportunities you have. It's like casting a wide net into the sea of possibility. But remember, networking is not a one-way street, it's about mutual benefit. So, be sure to offer your own support and expertise when others need it. Because when one person succeeds, the whole network benefits. And here's a pro tip: be genuine. People can sense when you're only interested in what they can offer you. So, build these relationships with sincerity and respect. Remember, your network is your net worth. Next, the eighth pillar, giving back. This pillar is all about the importance of sharing wealth and resources with the community. It might sound counterintuitive, but giving back can actually contribute to your personal wealth in a significant way. Giving back is not just about writing a check to a charity, it's about investing in people and causes that you believe in. It's about using your wealth to make a positive impact in the world. It's about understanding that wealth is not just about accumulating money, but also about contributing to the well-being of others. When you give, you not only enrich the lives of others, but you also enrich your own life. It can bring you a sense of fulfillment and happiness that money alone cannot buy. It can help you build stronger connections with your community and can even open up new opportunities for you. So remember, the act of giving is not just a one-way street. When you give, you receive more. The ninth pillar of wealth is continuous learning. To truly thrive in the game of wealth creation, you must be a lifelong learner. The world we live in is dynamic, always changing, always evolving. The strategies that worked yesterday may not work tomorrow. The skills that are in demand today may be obsolete next year. The successful entrepreneur recognizes this and commits to continuous learning and personal development. They read books, attend seminars, enroll in courses, and seek mentors. They are always looking for ways to sharpen their skills, broaden their knowledge, and deepen their understanding. Continuous learning is not just about acquiring new information, it's about perspective. It's about understanding different viewpoints, recognizing patterns, and making connections. It's about being adaptable and resilient in the face of change. In the end, continuous learning is about growth. Growth as an individual and growth as a wealth creator. And remember, the more you grow, the more you have to give. Never stop learning, because life never stops teaching. Finally, the 10th pillar, health. No discussion on wealth can be complete without addressing the role of good health. It's not just a cliche, health truly is the bedrock of all wealth. You see, one might amass a fortune, but without health, the enjoyment and sustenance of that wealth become an uphill battle. Health isn't just about avoiding illness. It's about maintaining a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being. It's about being able to enjoy the fruits of your labor, to live life to its fullest, to be present for those precious moments with loved ones. When we're healthy, we're more productive, more creative, and better able to seize opportunities. We're able to weather life's storms and bounce back from setbacks. We're able to live, not merely exist. So, invest in your health, prioritize it, protect it, nurture it. Because at the end of the day, health isn't just a pillar of wealth, it's the very foundation. Remember, health is the greatest wealth. Now that we've covered the 10 pillars of wealth, it's time to apply them. Let's quickly recap. First, financial literacy is the foundation of wealth. Next, diversify your income streams. Don't rely on just one. Third, make saving and investing a daily habit. Fourth, minimize your debt. It's the enemy of wealth. Fifth, focus on asset acquisition, not just income. The sixth pillar is passive income. Let your money work for you. Seventh, networking is crucial. Your network is your net worth. Eighth, always give back. Philanthropy can be a powerful wealth builder. Ninth, never stop learning. Continuous education is key to maintaining wealth. And finally, the 10th pillar, health. Without good health, all the wealth in the world means nothing. Remember, wealth is not about having a lot of money, it's about having a lot of options. Start building your wealth today,